come check this out. Now there's two ways you can take advantage of our rock bottom pricing here at Avalon RV Center. You can come to the dealership, check out our showroom and talk to one of our RV consultants, or you can jump on our website and get our rock bottom price that way. It doesn't matter if you are in the United States or in Canada, because we can do all of the paperwork over the phone, and then we can even ship you your RV. So you can take advantage of our rock bottom prices no matter where you're at. All right, so here we are shopping from home on AvalonRVCenter.com, and it's very easy to do. You're gonna jump on our homepage as you see here. You see the awesome video right up top, and right below that, if you know exactly what kind of motorhome or travel trailer you're looking for, you can click on the respective unit right below. So if you're looking for a pre-owned Class A or a new Class A or a fifth wheel or a travel trailer, truck camper, whatever the case is, you can click on it right below this awesome video. To get access to our recent promotions, any coupons and specials that we're running, definitely sign up for our email list right here by simply putting in your email, typing in your name and hitting subscribe, and that's going to get special promotions and coupons sent directly to your email. So definitely sign up for that email list. You can join our Facebook group as well if you want to just join a group of RVers and campers that have units that, you know, just go out there and have fun. If you want to join just a community like that, go ahead and join our Facebook group. And as we continue to scroll, you'll see that you're going to be able to shop with your budget. So if you have a certain budget in mind on what you want to spend on your RV, you just come to this section and click on the respective budget, and it'll help you shop those units that fall in that budget. As we continue to move down, you'll see the specific units that we actually carry, the Baystar, Sunseeker, so on and so forth. So if you know that you want to buy a Sunseeker, you can click Sunseeker or Salem or a Villa or whatever unit you're looking for, respectively, the new American Fastbacks. You can click on that icon and go shop those units specifically. So let's say I'm looking at a Sunseeker and I want to buy a Sunseeker. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this Sunseeker here, and it's going to take me to the Sunseekers that we have here in stock at Avalon RV Center, and you'll go through and you'll just kind of look. All right, and you know, let's say the unit that we really want to take a look at is the Forest River Sunseeker 2400 WSD. If that's the unit we want to take a look at and get the best price for, we're going to come here, click for rock bottom price. Our prices are actually so low, our manufacturers do not let us display them on the internet. So this is the only way you can actually get our price. So you're going to come here, you're going to click rock bottom price button, you're going to fill out this form. All right, so let's fill out this form here. And then once you do this, you're going to put your email in, and it's going to send you an email with the rock bottom price. You're going to put your phone number in here. All right, and then it's going to send you over an email, and it's going to actually show you the rock bottom price right after you do this. So you're going to hit submit, and you'll see right up top the rock bottom price for that Forest River. Again, we can't show it, so I'm going to blur it out for this video, but that's how you're going to shop. And if you're looking at multiple Sunseekers, you can come through and take a look at the 2350, click for rock bottom price, do the same thing, and that's going to allow you to see the best prices that we have on these units. We sell a lot of RVs simply because we are the best priced RV dealership around and across the United States. And you'll be very surprised at some of the RVs that you're looking at how low we actually have them marked. So shop through. If you're looking for a motorhome, a Class C, a Sunseeker, whatever the case is, you can come again, you know, down here to the home page, look at the Sunseekers, the Gulfstreams, the Villas, the Salems, the Hemispheres, whatever you're looking for, we got it right here on the home page. If you scroll a little lower than that, you're going to see most popular RVs, so you can see some of the popular units that we have here at the dealership, and you can click on those and take a look at those as well. And then right underneath that, you can apply for financing, in-source specials, travel trailers under 20,000, fifth wheels under 40,000. So very easy to shop here at Avalon RV Center. You know, if you just want to apply for financing and see if you can get approved for an RV, you can come right down here, apply for financing, hit the apply now button, and then it's going to take you to an application where you can put that application in without coming into the store, We'll get it, we'll run it for you, and then we can let you know if you'll be approved for an RV or not. So again, very easy to shop here at Avalon RV Center, but keep in mind that rock bottom price button. I'm going to show you it again because it's going to be your best friend here on our website. It's going to help you save a lot of money whenever you're shopping out there for RVs and the certain floor plans that you're looking for. So keep that in mind. Click that rock bottom price button on the units that you want to take a look at, and then what will happen is you'll get an email with the rock bottom price. It'll actually flash right up there on the screen for you as well, and one of our RV consultants will reach out to you and help you help answer any questions that you might have about that RV. They can also get trade numbers if you're trading in an RV. They can help you, evaluate how much your trade is worth and get you trade numbers so that you just know everything that you need to know before moving forward and actually buying an RV. So again, click for the rock bottom price button. I can't stress that enough. That is going to be your best friend here on our website, avalonrvcenter.com. So we thank you for stopping by the website. We'll see you on the next one.